Nutshell Studies of Unexplained Death. Case number 4. Kitchen. Reported to Nutshell Laboratories, Wednesday, April 12, 1944. Mrs. Fred Barnes, housewife, dead. Fred Barnes, husband, question. Fred Barnes' statement. About 4 p.m. on the afternoon of Tuesday, April 11, 1944, he had gone downtown to do an errand at his wife's request. Upon his return about an hour and a half later, he found outside door into kitchen locked. It was standing open when he left. Knocking and calling brought no response. He tried front door, which was also locked. He then went to kitchen window, which was closed and locked, but looking in, he could see what appeared to be his wife lying on the floor. He had then summoned the police. The model shows the premises just before the police forced open the kitchen door. Was this natural cause? Accident? Suicide? Homicide? Murder? On what do you base your conclusion?